Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Elizabeth Rheaume. She's a librarian for the Warren County Public Library. Good morning, Elizabeth.
Good morning, Kristi.
Elizabeth, I know that you all are gearing up for a summer celebration. Can you tell us about this celebration?
Yes, every summer we celebrate the summer with our summer reading program. And so this summer it is called the Summer Celebration of Wild Adventures. And so you can come into any location or you can go online and get you a passport. And with your passport, you can log the books and the activities that you read, the things that you do with the library, and that way you'll have a chance to win some prizes. You're going to have individual milestone prizes as well as grand prizes.
Now, Elizabeth, this program is special because it is for all ages. Is that correct?
It is for all ages. So whether you are a newborn baby or whether you are an adult, you can participate. And I think that is something that makes this program really special.
All right, Elizabeth. So tell us how these passports work.
So with your passport, this one is the teen and adult one. It's going to list options of activities that you can do inside. And then you're going to mark that on this cute little inner part. And when you get to a milestone marker, then you're going to bring that into the library and you will receive a prize. So things that count include reading a book, listening to a book, a magazine, using one of our online databases, watching a book to movie adaptation, attending a program, doing a story trail, reading a book to some kids or pets, researching your ancestry. Like, the possibilities are endless. So it's not just reading. So if you're not a reader, no worries, you can still participate. But it's going to give you lots of really neat ideas. And the kids one will give you ideas for the kids as well.
So there's an adult passport and a kid's passport. Is that right, Elizabeth?
That's right. And so that way it's tailored just to what the individual is wanting.
So how do people get their hands on these exciting passports?
You can come into any library location and you'll receive this full color glossy one. Or you can go online and you can download a passport and print it out yourself. We do ask that whether you come in or whether you get one from online, that you register your passport. Because registering your passport is going to enter you in for a chance for a grand prize. And we don't do just one grand prize around here. No, we have lots of grand prizes and they are really amazing. And so we want to make sure that everyone has a chance to win.
That is so exciting. I know a lot of friends who are big readers who would enjoy a little healthy competition this summer. Now, Elizabeth, you all have some exciting events coming up. What types of events are those?
Well, our kickoff concert this year is the Wolf Brothers. And so that is going to be Thursday, June the 3rd at the 10 a.m. at the Capitol. We're going to be doing lots of neat events at the Capitol this summer. So check out our website for those. We are doing movies for both adults and children's viewing. And so you'll get to see that schedule online. We're going to have some authors, both children and adult authors, come this summer. Mad Cat Puppets, Animal Tales, all kinds of neat things. And so you're going to see posters that look like this, and that's going to be able to give you some indicator. You're going to see them up at all the library locations and around town and on our website, and that's going to give you a good sneak peek at those events.
Now, is there a cost to attending these exciting events at the Capitol?
Our events at the Capitol are going to be free this summer. So I hope you'll all come out and enjoy.
Elizabeth, this is so exciting. I love thinking about the passport program, and I like that there's different options. If someone isn't a reader, or maybe they just want to switch things up, the options are endless. If you are watching and would like to pick up a passport, be sure to visit the Warren County Public Library or visit their website to see a list of their summer events. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope you have a great day.